Hey everyone, how you guys doing today? Um, so I don't know if I talked about this in the last video, uh, but the way I'm hoping to launch my solution or pilot it at least was as a WhatsApp integration. So there's just a phone number that people will send messages and stuff to, and then that phone number will like actually be hooked up to my system, right? So today, like at the end of yesterday, I was like, okay, I could go down another rabbit hole because there was like Olympics, SQL Alchemy, uh, context vars. Like there was a lot of different things to fall into, but I wanted to like just focus in on the WhatsApp stuff and get like a WhatsApp business playground going and just understanding the WhatsApp Cloud API, which may take a hit on my commit history because it was actually very nice and satisfying to see. Every day I was like hitting code commits. Um, but this I think is important. So we're going to take a small diversion and try and understand what's going on with WhatsApp's Cloud API. I think there's no SDK. I'm not sure. Let me actually just Google that really quickly. WhatsApp API Cloud SDK Python. Yeah, okay, it's open. Are available to interact with the WhatsApp Cloud API, simplifying the process of sending and receiving messages. Um, I'm just gonna check GitHub directly. WhatsApp Cloud API by Netflix. The first PHP SDK to send and receive messages using a cloud-hosted version of the WhatsApp business platform. Oh, so this is PHP. This is not even Python. WhatsApp Cloud SDK, PyPy. Let's check this one. Tega manages this. The first ever unofficial SDK. Yeah, see, this is the thing. These are all unofficial SDKs, and this one was done 2 years ago, so I'm actually not touching that at all. Oh, there's a WhatsApp Python wrapper. Okay, so slightly better. It had a commit like 9 months ago. Pricing of even if the billing documentation is quite
targets and base pay
switching from hey. Do you need me to pause recording, babe?
No, I thought someone is crying outside.
No, but you were watching something.
No. I'm in the middle of a meeting, but I heard some crying from outside. I felt that I heard some crying from outside.
I don't hear any crying. I believe you though. Let's just go to this user and see if he has like, because I don't know what he's talking about. Hey you and all that. Okay, software and hardware developer based in Italy, currently studying electronics in high school using C++. Okay, this guy's an impressive kid. ESA licensed drone operator. Jesus Christ. Man, I'm gonna reach out to this kid. Command Shift 4. Chill, I'm just gonna add this. There's actually nothing here. Reach out to Filippo. Create card. Yeah, like every time I find one of these interesting people, I try to reach out to them. Let me add. How do I add this? Can I just paste? No, that pasted open telemetry. Attachment. Choose file. So I believe my screenshots go to my desktop, which is right there. Yep, that's the one. Upload. And also, let me just hit a link in the description. Save. Okay, so interesting kid, but I'm not gonna use his options. The point is, I think we're just gonna have to build a wrapper around the API itself, which is fine. We'll fine tune it to our needs, and actually, I think it's best if we just go for one-to-one parity with the API. But I wanted to know what GraphAPI is because it says so right at the top. Over here, Cloud API is built on a GraphAPI. So requests are expressed using the HTTP protocol and combinations of URL parameters, headers, and request bodies. For example, a common call to Cloud API from Unix-based command line looks like this. So it's just a basic curl. But I just wanted to know what they meant by GraphAPI. GraphAPI refers to... okay. Okay. What's the different? I get it. So basically, Graph APIs have like it's similar to the GraphQL stuff, which is what I was about to Google. Is Graph API and GraphQL the same thing? But essentially, there's a singular endpoint, and just kind of all the data is modeled as a series of nodes and edges. Nodes being entities and edges being the relationships. And it essentially takes a combo of headers, queries, and body objects. Well, that part's not here. That's what's written on the thing over here. And also what we see over here, we have a header and we have a body. We don't have a query parameter, do we? Refer to our Graph API documentation. Okay, so there is Graph API. They have their own documentation. Oh my god. I'm just go to the docs for Meta in general. Okay, this is a lot. So I need to read and learn and understand Graph APIs, essentially. I'm going to try and be in a learn by doing mode. So probably, I don't know, spin up like a playground project where I'm playing around with this API, and that's what I'll be showcasing for a little while. Yeah, I think that's the end of this video for now. I do want to go deeper in this right now, but I think I need to organize my thoughts a little bit before I read this, and there's like other things I need to take care of tonight that are also going to be time consuming. So I am going to end the video right now, but Graph APIs, that's where it's at. All right, have a great one. I might shoot another video today. Let's see how it goes. See you guys.